Hello guys, I just got back from the AU. My God, how guard you? And look, I got the iPhone 11 Pro. That's it. Hagarda, that's it. iPhone 11 Pro. Earphone, the fast charger, the corset, of course. So that's it. And this one. Again, that's it. I'm just making this video quickly because I have work tonight rather. Tonight, so this is the iPhone 11 Pro in space gray. Walang tino. Bye guys. So I'm actually uploading my Line account here in my new iPhone 11 Pro. So I forgot the password. Okay, I need to change the password and insert my account to this new phone, the iPhone Pro. Hello guys, all is set. My Instagram is uploaded and my Facebook account is also uploaded now. I am just trying to learn something from here. I still need to put my Yahoo Mail message email and we're ready to go. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. See you later guys, off to work. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Hello guys, this is my first vlog on my iPhone 11 Pro. It's 3 p.m. here in Saitama, Japan. And I'm currently watching Ang Huling Tapatan, Tawag ng Tanghalan sa Showtime. Anyway guys, I'm actually uploading my unboxing vlog for the 11 Pro right now. Medyo mabagal ang Wi-Fi. Because it's gonna be the end of the month, kaya medyo mabagal ngayon ang signal dito sa Japan. Anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Yeah, I'm just vlogging, wala lang, kasi I'm still in hype because of the new iPhone 11 Pro, which has camera details, camera improvement, and also the matte finish. Ganon! And I'm still on a diet right now. Look, banana lang po. I had a Cybo Slim last night, so walang ganang kumain. How are you guys? That's it. A few minutes and the vlog is on. Ayun na nga. I guess, look, this is the camera. If you will compare the iPhone 10 camera to this iPhone 11 Pro camera, mukhang mas maganda ang resolution niya. Mas maganda yung retina display niya. Guys. Ganon. I-introduce ko nga kayo sa aking mga babies. These are my babies. This is my baby. Yeah, binili siya ng jowa. And this too is actually dun sa pasyal namin ng Merla ko, ng stalker ko. Actually, may pangalan talaga to eh. Si Duterte yata to o si Jinky. I don't remember. These are from Dennis restaurant. And last but not the least, I have this one. It's from a pancake house in Yokohama. When I visited Yokohama. Ganon yon. Ayun nga, and I am unboxing Janai. This is gonna be sent to my brother. Shout out to my brother. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ingatan nyo yung mga telepono nyo. Huwag kayong gagamit ng charger not for iPhone. Kasi siguradong masisira yan. Ganun na nga. Saging pa more. Actually, wala lang. I just vlog right now. Kagigising ko lang talaga. Yeah. Malapit na siya. It's little percent. Actually, yung YouTube channel ko, tinanggal ko dito sa iPhone na to. So, I have to log in again para ma-upload siya, no? Anyway. Yon guys, if you have some requests kung anong gusto nyong i-vlog ko or if you have any ideas, just comment at below and titingnan natin. Ganon! Ang ganda ng Retina display. I love it. Actually, I'm not into gaming kaya I did not get the Pro Max. I'm just into shoot and I'm just into vlogging lang. Kemi-keming vlogger. Shout out to my friends. And shout out to my co-workers in Cleopatra, Soka in Saitama. Hello guys! Gampadero Desne. Ayun na nga. What else? Anyway guys, I'll be back and I hope you enjoy my vlog. Just keep clicking. Thank you. Salamat dun sa mukbang vlog ko. Thank you so much. May mga 60 views na. I have 19 subscribers na. Thank you so much, guys. And I had this vlog walking around Kabukitcho. It has 40 views na. Thank you so much and I'll be back again. Bye-bye!